Hi guys, it's not actually a good day, but my grandpa working, but I'm still a good day. But I don't know really, but my grandpa had actually 8,000 paper works right to do, and guys, all I wanna say, the video I make, mostly right. One video I said actually the word, I don't know why I say that, but that was actually not a bad idea because I don't actually say that. YouTube, please don't ban me. I was so little about that. And people, everybody watching, right? Please subscribe and please like, because if you guys a Ronaldo fan, subscribe, or you're a Messi fan, like. But one thing I want to guys say, please don't vibe, you will kill yourself, please.